Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I am Poonam Dua from MN Education Academy of Literature, and today we are covering important MCQs of Anita Desai. Anita Desai, the famous Indian English writer. I hope you have watched the previous two videos in which I have discussed her biography and few important novels. Let us start the video now. This kind of practice and watching this type of videos is very important for any English competitive exam, specifically for UGC NET and MA English entrance. So here we are starting with the first question. Which of the two novels of Anita Desai were shortlisted for the Booker Prize? The Artist of Disappearance and In Custody and Fasting Feasting and The Zigzag Way, or In Custody and Fire on Mountain. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि कौन कौन से 3 नॉवेल्स थे अनीता देसाई के जो शॉर्टलिस्ट हुए थे बुकर प्राइज़ के लिए. इट इज़ अ क्लियर लाइट ऑफ द डे 1980, इन कस्टडी 1984 एंड फास्टिंग फीस्टिंग 1999. सो आवर आंसर बिकम्स ऑप्शन नंबर बी, इन कस्टडी एंड फास्टिंग फीस्टिंग. अब चलते हैं पेयर्स मैच करने की तरफ. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट पेयर फ्रॉम हेयर. पहले मैं आपको रॉन्ग पेयर्स के बारे में बता दूं. राका को मैच किया गया है गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स के साथ, जबकि राका एक कैरेक्टर है इन दी नॉवल अनीता देसाईज नॉवल फायर ऑन द माउंटेन. जिसने मेरे दोनों वीडियोस देखे हैं, दैट पर्सन विल डायरेक्टली आइडेंटिफाई दिस कैरेक्टर राका. वेलुथा वॉज a character not in Great Expectation but in The God of Small Things. Pip, the famous character, the famous Victorian character, was in the novel Great Expectations by Charles Dickens. And Pearl, here is the right match. Pearl was a character in The Scarlet Letter. The Scarlet Letter is a romance work of historical fiction by American author Nathaniel Hawthorne, published in 1850. Next question. Which among the following novels of Anita Desai is a children's book? Fire on the Mountain, Fasting Feasting, The Zigzag Way, or The Village by the Sea? The correct answer is The Village by the Sea. To know the details about this novel, you can watch the previous video. Next question. In which of Anita Desai's novels does an insane wife kills her husband? The correct answer is Cry the Peacock, which is the first novel of Anita Desai. This is the story of a young girl, Maya, who is obsessed by a childhood prophecy of disaster, and she builds up an atmosphere of tension around her after her marriage. After her marriage, she happens to kill her husband as well. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपको कुछ टेक्स्ट दिए गए हैं और कुछ राइटर्स के नाम दिए गए हैं, उनको हमें करेक्टली मैच करना है. मैं टेक्स्ट से शुरुआत कर रही हूँ, रिच लाइक अस से. Rich Like Us is a novel by Nayantara Sehgal. The Nowhere Man is a novel by Kamla Markandeya. In Custody, Now You Know, the novel by Anita Desai. The Last Labyrinth, novel by Arun Joshi. So the correct answer is option number B. Now, next question. Two of these novels have a dancer as a major character. Which one are they? The Stone Angel, The Journey to Ithaca, The Guide, Storm in Chandigarh. We are given some combinations as options. Let us see the answer first. These two novels are Journey to Ithaca and The Guide. In Journey to Ithaca, Laila is a dancer and there is a whole dance troupe as well. And in The Guide by R.K. Narayan, character Rosie is a dancer. So option number C is the right answer. Next question. Who among the following Indian writers in English has created an identifiable imagined locale? This question has been discussed in the MCQ part of Mulkraj Anand as well, because he was an option. Here Anita Desai is an option, but the correct answer is R.K. Narayan. Malgudi is the imagined locale created by R.K. Narayan. Next question. Anita Desai received Sahitya Academy Award for her work Cry the Peacock, Fire on the Mountain, Clear Light of the Day, or Voice in the City. The correct answer is Fire on the Mountain. I hope the video has been very helpful to you. You can click on this link to watch the biographies of other prominent writers. Thanks a lot for watching. Best of luck for your exams, and you can contact us to join our online and offline classes.